Clarice Joy G. Adonacion.
Our District Supervisor, Mrs. Jurlyn C. Valete. Our School Principal, Mrs. Maribel L. Lorenzo. My dear teachers, parents, fellow graduates of the class of 2010, friends and guests, good morning. As the second honors of this year's graduating class, I have the distinct honor of welcoming you today in this memorable occasion. We have been waiting for this day to come, and now that it has come, we are filled with mixed emotions. We are happy because we shall be in a higher institution of learning. Sad because we shall be parting with our classmates and friends, especially to our teachers. The lessons that we have learned at Dolores Elementary School will become vital to our success. Our journey has not been easy. It has been a rough path full of stepping stones that led us in what we are today. Young individuals that carry dreams and aspirations. Very briefly, I would like to say thanks, first and foremost to our God, whom I owe all my success to. A special mention to my parents. Thank you for providing me with guidance and love. I will leave you with two things this morning. The first, always remain hungry for more knowledge because it is the key to our success. The second, live a meaningful life every day. Thank you and God bless us all.
As we fill the breeze with vibration rights, let us hear the message of hope that we can do everything we believe in God.